Jai Jagannath, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing the recipe of Mitha Pakhala, a traditional dish from the Chappan Bhog of the Lord Jagannath Temple in Puri. Mitha Pakhala is a mildly sweet rice preparation that is offered as a part of the final meal of the day, known as Bada Singhara Bhoga. Let's begin. Here I have taken 250 grams of cooked Govindabhog rice in a mixing bowl. Add half a teaspoon of rock salt, here I have taken 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns and crushed this into a coarse powder, adding the same to the rice and retaining a bit for the final garnish. Next, adding a teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of grated ginger. Next, adding 3 tablespoons of khansari sugar, or also known as khand, which is traditionally used in the Jagannath Temple kitchen. You may use normal sugar or jaggery if khand is not available. Next, adding 2 heaped tablespoons of fresh curd. Mix everything gently so that all the ingredients are well combined with the rice. Now we will add water little by little and mix together again to get a slightly loose consistency. In total, here we have used half a cup of water and mixing again to get a porridge-like consistency. Mitha Pakhala is ready. Now let it rest for 1 to 2 hours. This will help the flavors come together nicely and develop a mild fermentation. Once it's ready, transfer it into a small clay pot. Place a fresh tulsi leaf and sprinkle some roasted jeera powder and black pepper powder. And your Mitha Pakhala is ready to be offered as bhog to Lord Jagannath. Mitha Pakhala is divinely delicious and very comforting dish. Please do give it a try. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more. We'll come back with a new recipe next week. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Jai Jagannath.